Hi everyone, welcome back to Reed Custom Creations, where today we have a brand new laser that was we were contacted by Atomstack and they wanted us to do a review on their A5 M50 40 watt laser. So it's basically some other company's version of the X-Tool D1. Actually, I think the X-Tool was out later. I think these guys were out beforehand. But anyways, so let's go ahead and we'll get right into it. And the only thing I've done is cut open the box for easy access. And let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that's nice. Cutting mat. When cutting, please put this mat on the object to prevent damage to the tabletop. Nice. Alright, and there we have it. .40 watt, working size 400 millimeters by 410 millimeters. Nice, very nice. I like that they put that on the frame. Compared to the X-Tool D1, their packaging is spot on. I mean, it's a small box. It just packed very well. I'm impressed. Oh, very nice. Just making sure I got everything out of here. I believe that I do. Okay. So that was everything in the box, which I'm impressed. I am very impressed. Oh, that didn't work out. Off right there.
Okay, I see it.
There we have the belt tensioned on either side, well, both sides. Get your laser out. Here's the 40-watt laser. Very nice. Smaller than the D1 laser, I will say that. And for being a 40-watt, I'm sorry, excuse me. It's 40 watt for the entire thing, but this is maximum laser power of 5 watt. So this itself is a 5 watt. The D1 was a 10. So you line it up. Well, if you want to adjust this, you're more than welcome to, but this just happens to be at a perfect height for me. So get it into the slot. Bring it down, and then tighten it up. There you go. So we got everything installed. Went ahead, took the wire, hooked up to the safety switch down here, the stop switch to the motor, to the other stop switch here. And then you run over to the motor here. And then lastly to the laser itself. So there you have it. It's the Atomstack A5 M50. Fully installed. All you gotta do is just cut this off now, download the software, and you are all set and ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna hit the run program. And we're off to the races. Now, from what I've been told, this laser is the best at, its capabilities are best at engraving, not so much at cutting. We will definitely be testing that out, of course, in another video, where we'll go ahead and do a laser test, laser setting test, and also a cutting test to see exactly how well it does. Now this little piece of wood, this is a 2mm thick birch, 100mm wide by I think 150 long. I can't remember where I got these from, but these make for great little test batches. I think this one board alone cost me about 55 cents, 58 cents, something like that, so it's not that big of a deal. And remember, obviously, the more lines that you put in there, the longer it's obviously going to take to engrave. And the sharper it will look like too. So with this software here, from what I'm gathering, you definitely cannot make any adjustments once you bring it in here. This is a free software again, so you get what you pay for, and you know, beggars can't be choosers. And I am not that good at Lightburn. I'm trying to self-learn, and it's taken a little while, but yeah, we'll definitely put this to Lightburn and see if Lightburn would be much better than this. I'm sure it would be. So yeah. Check it out. Alright. Well, again, this is just the very first one. As you can see, I mean, it did a decent job. Not bad at all, really, but obviously the more lines that you put in there, the longer it's going to take and the smoother that it will be. We will definitely be testing this out a lot more in the future, and so stay tuned for more videos about the Atomstack A5 M50. That's right. Alright, so thank you again for joining, and we will talk to you on the next video. See ya.